Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Ram 2500 ride smoother. Heavy-duty trucks like the Ram 2500 are built for hauling and towing, often resulting in a stiffer ride when unloaded. We'll explore key areas to improve comfort, focusing on practical modifications. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to a more enjoyable driving experience, whether you're on the highway or navigating rough terrain. One of the most impactful ways to smooth out your Ram 2500's ride is through suspension upgrades. Swapping out stiff factory leaf springs for softer ones or upgrading coil springs can dramatically improve compliance. High-performance shock absorbers, specifically tuned for your truck, will better absorb bumps and vibrations. Additionally, airbag helper springs can provide adjustable support, ensuring a comfortable ride, whether your truck is empty or fully loaded. Your tires play a crucial role in ride comfort. Opting for all-terrain or highway tires with a less aggressive tread can reduce road noise and harshness. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is also vital. Often, running slightly lower than the maximum recommended pressure when unloaded can significantly soften the ride. Furthermore, choosing wheels with a slightly smaller diameter, allowing for more tire sidewall, provides additional cushioning against road imperfections. Beyond major suspension and tire changes, several other factors can contribute to a smoother ride. Adding some weight, perhaps 200 to 300 pounds, to the truck bed can help engage the rear suspension, making it less bouncy when empty. Regularly inspecting and replacing worn suspension bushings will also tighten up the feel. Finally, a good quality steering stabilizer can reduce road feedback and improve overall driving comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.